tech gadgets you need for your kitchen. This is a milk dispenser which lets you pour out milk and other drinks without having to lift the bottle up. This robot bin has motion sensors so the lid opens by itself and you don't have to get your hands dirty. This electric scrubber can be used to help you wash the dishes or clean your cabinets. This ice maker lets you turn water into ice cubes in under 10 minutes so you can cool your drinks without having to wait for hours. This is a special knife created for pizza so you can cut the perfect slice each and every time. This is a thermal label printer so you can mark all of the items in your kitchen and stay organized. This rice dispenser can help dispense the correct amount of rice each and every time whilst keeping it fresh. This device is a food scale which connects to your mobile phone and helps you track all of your healthy eating habits. This is a machine which can turn your fruits into ice cream, milkshakes or smoothies. If you've ever struggled to open a jar, this gadget is an automatic jar opener which can open them in just a click of a button. This device looks like an ordinary fridge magnet, but it's actually a Bluetooth speaker which can connect to your mobile or tablets. This device is a carpet cleaner which can help remove tough stains, making your carpet feel like new again.